In this video, we'll be looking at the use of the simple past, describing two actions in the past, and the forms of the simple past, including the be verb. Let's begin. The simple past is used for actions that happened at one particular time in the past and are completed. Add an ed ending to most verbs to form the past tense. Here are some examples. The squirrel tasted the wedding cake yesterday. I baked some cookies last Sunday. Those verbs are in the simple past. Here's a simple time diagram to show the simple past. You can see that the X represents an action that happened in the past and is completed. Many verbs have an irregular form in the simple past. It's important to review and practice these verbs. You can see the appendix on chart E9 in your textbook on page 468 for a list of these irregular verbs. Here are some examples. Michael won the golf tournament. Won is the past of win. John caught 3 fish in the lake last weekend. Caught is the past of catch. Marcos was at home on Monday. Was is the past of be. The past of the be verb goes like this. He, she, and it and I use was. You, we, and they use were. Sometimes we want to describe two actions that happened in the past. Use when or after in the clause with the verb that happens first. Use before in the clause with the verb that happens second. Here are some examples. When I stepped on the banana peel, I fell down. So in this sentence, I can see that I stepped first because it's in the clause with when, and then I fell down. I can say this sentence a different way. I fell down when I stepped on the banana peel. And this has the same meaning because stepped is in the clause with when, so it happened first. So it doesn't matter, I can change the order of the clauses. He came home after he ran his errands. So in this sentence, you can see that he ran his errands first because it's in the clause with after, and then he came home. A squirrel tasted the cake before we ate it. So in this sentence, a squirrel tasted the cake first, and then we ate it because ate is in the clause with before, so that means it happened second. These are the forms of the simple past. The only difference with the simple present is that we use the past form of the helping verb. So we use did instead of do or does. Negative. The dog didn't want to get out of bed. The dog is the subject, didn't is the helping verb, want is the base form of the main verb. Make sure to use the base form and not the simple past for the main verb when it's negative. So you cannot say the dog didn't wanted. Yes or no question and answer. Did you want to get out of bed this morning? Did is the helping verb. The subject is you. The base verb is want. Yes, I did or no, I didn't are the example short answers, and you can change the subjects. WH question. What did you do over the summer? The WH word is first, then did as the helping verb, the subject, and then the base verb. The be verb. Again, the only difference between the be verb in the past and the present is that we use the past form, so that's was or were instead of are, is, and am. Keep in mind that when the be verb is the main verb in a sentence, you do not have a verb directly after the be verb. Negative. The cat wasn't innocent. So the cat is a subject, then we have wasn't or weren't. Notice that innocent is an adjective. Yes or no question and answer. Were you a good speller in school? So was or were comes first as the be verb, and then the subject. Notice that speller is a noun. Yes, I was or no, I wasn't is a short answer, and the subjects will change. WH question. Where were you last night? The WH word is first, and then was or were, and then the subject.